Hi, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to Body Grind Fitness Show. Today is the workout only for 30 days challenging workout. Samata. Today is the only focusing in thighs and hips workout. Complete for flat belly and maximum you need to burn your thighs muscles and glutes muscles. Ready to start the workout? 30 days challenge to change your life. Okay, ready to start. First, you start with warm up must and should. After that, warming up just a cool and ending with cool down must and should. Okay, if you try with start with warming up left to right and twisting and like this, stretch your legs, left to right, stretch your legs and clockwise. Okay, ready to start. First you start with only for sumo squats. Ready like this, just open your legs, just open like this, just one, two, three, just for outer thighs, inner thighs is effective. 4, 5, 6, come on, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, up, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, just 20 seconds. After that 20 seconds hold it like this, 20 seconds hold it, or like this, your choice, choose your level. Okay, choose 20 seconds maximum. Come on, ready, hit 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. Okay, next one is just for go for step lunges. Go for like this step lunges, take the support and stretch your right leg is back side down, 1 2 3 and get up, and again another leg, 1 2 3 and down, and again another leg, 1 2 3 down, like again 1 2 3 legs down, just maximum amount. Yes, burn your calories in here place and hamstring and both are working. 1 2 3 down, again 1 2 3 maximum. Come on, ready, go to 1 2 3 down, 1 2 3 down. Yes, maximum 1 2 3 down. Simple basic homemade exercises. This is a complete burn your thighs muscles. After that, just for hold it few seconds. Right leg, left leg, keep your left leg is forward and right leg is down and stretch. Just hold it like this 20 seconds. Isolate exercises. Mustn't you burn like this here place only. Upper thighs. Yes, maximum hold it like this 25 seconds. After 25 seconds and change another leg. Yes, just hold it like this 25 seconds. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and just for legs, open your legs, just open your legs left to right, inner thighs and outer thighs, just for shuffling your legs, shuffling your legs, just for shuffling 20, 19, 18, 19, 17, 16, 14, 13, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. It's a complete burn, tone your muscles, thighs muscles. Okay, after that, simple legs and just simple left leg, right leg is up and down and stretch, right leg is up and down and stretch, simple like this. One, balancing and hip and glutes and thighs muscles both are working at a time. 4, 5, ready, good. 6, 7, super. 8, yes. 9, yes, yes. 10, 5 more. 4, 3, yes. 2, only one more. And again another side, each set 2 to 3 times maximum, more maximum burn your calories. 4, 5, very good. 6, yes. 7, balancing and do like this. 8, 9, yes, yes. 10, super, stop. And another leg is just for stretch, touch and down, and touch and down, and touch and down, and touch and down. Maximum burn your calories. Yes, excellent. 15 repetition must and should. Left and right, right to left. Yes, hand touch and bend, and change another leg. Okay, touch. 1, 2, come on, 3, max and down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. And 10. This is a complete burn your thighs muscles and tone muscles. Okay, ready, again. Just for simple, keep your right leg is like this 4, and keep your hands like this, just to hold it 20 seconds. Total is the glutes and thighs muscles and outer thighs muscles workout. Just 1, 2, 3, maximum 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And change another side also. Just hold it few seconds like this. Hold it 10 seconds or 20 seconds, hold it. After 10 seconds, 20 seconds, hold it. Then again repetition. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maximum burn here glutes and outer thighs. 9, 10. Okay. And after that, just for squat jumps like this, open over 1 feet gap, only 1 feet gap, and squat jumps. 2, 3. Nice. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump. Squat jump. 8. Jump. Little bit of 9, 10. Last 10 more. Squat jump is more effective. 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more. Yes. Maximum effect in thighs. Okay. And after that, just to hold it like this. Hold it 20 seconds. Like 20 seconds wall chair. Like this wall chair. 20 seconds. Proper L shape is main important. L shape. Just for 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. This is a complete burn your thighs muscles. After that, just sit down and sit down. Keep your left leg is like L shape and right leg should be L shape. Okay. Take the support here. Don't drop like this body. Always look straight. Take the support and lift the hip muscle. Lift the hip muscle like this. Hip L shape, L shape. Yes. Hold it 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, just up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Just hold it. After that, hold it 10 seconds only. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clockwise. 2, 3. Maximum burn here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 10. Maximum burn here. Place. Change your leg. Just to hold it L shape. Proper L shape and do the L shape. Take the support or front and side by side up. Take just hold it like this. Hold it 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that, clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Only one more. Just to hold it like this. Hold it like this 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, go for clockwise. Clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a complete burn here only. Okay. After that, simple leg down like this. Just to hold it and touch here and stretch your leg and up and down. And again touch here and stretch up and down. And touch here and stretch and down. And stretch up and down. Yes. And stretch up and down. Yes. Clock. Touch. Yes. Up and down. Yeah. Yes. Stretch. Just up and down and touch. Stretch up and down and touch here and stretch up and down and touch. This is the complete burn your glutes muscles. Okay. Change another leg mode and like this. Just hold it, touch here and stretch up and down and 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 touch here and stretch up and down, touch here and stretch up and down and touch here and stretch up and down. Maximum burn your glutes muscles. And again, next one is just for turn like this. Hold it few seconds, 40 seconds, 37, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 30, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 40 seconds just for kick your just 2, only 2 inches kick, 3, 4, just movement, clutch movement, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. And again, turn on the other side and do it. Turn another side and do it. Just hold it few seconds. 20, 40 seconds, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just movement. 1, 2, very good. 3, maximum come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. The complete glutes workout. Okay, glutes and thighs maximum bone 30 days challenging workout. If you like this video, please do the subscribe and do this exercises again. Come on, and maximum just hold it like this few seconds. After few seconds, just up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 9 more, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. Maximum burn here only. Okay, and again turn another side and like this. Hold it few seconds. Hold it few seconds like this. L shape few seconds. Hold it. After that few seconds, then go for sky kick. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. In minutes in 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. Okay, is a complete burn your calories and thighs and glutes. Compulsory maximum hit and maximum tone your muscles. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for viewers and thank you.